Please press the window and go on the control panel. Now on hardware and sound, find out the sound. On recording, go into the recording. You can see if your microphone is showing some variation in the sound equalizer, it's okay. Otherwise, double click on it. You will find another window, microphone properties. Generally, you need to go on the levels. If your levels of microphone is not 100%, or sometimes it is found on the 0 and micro boost, you can adjust it something like 20-30 dB. I feel on 20 dB is okay. You can adjust your microphone output also, it is better position, and then you need to apply or okay. After that you can see your microphone option. If it is working, it's mean okay. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video and share with others. Subscribe my channel for further videos about computer and mobile system, and press bell icon for further notification. Stay blessed.